Namaste student, myself J.B. Anshika Kushwaha, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology. Our subject is genetic engineering. Today's session is molecular biology techniques. So what are the molecular biology techniques? We will discuss in this. First of all, what are the chemical components of life? So in this first is proteins, lipids, nucleic acid which is DNA and RNA. Then after this, what is molecular biology technique? Molecular biology technique utilize DNA, RNA, and enzyme that interact with nucleic acids to understand biology at a molecular level. So, what is molecular pathology? Molecular pathology is the susceptibility of pathology that utilizes molecular biology technique to detect normal and disease states, predict disease progression, like diagnosis and prognosis. So, susceptibilities of molecular pathologies, inherited diseases, genetics, in this cystic fibrosis like sickle cell anemia, predisposition of to cancers, and then infectious diseases like bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Hematopathology in this leukemias, lymphomas, and in solid tumors in this like breast cancer, colon cancer, and then brain cancers. And forensics and in identity testing like HLA and parentage. So what is nucleic acid? A genetic material for of all known organism like DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA, ribonucleic acid. Its example is some viruses. Consist of chemically linked sequences of nucleotides. In this nitrogenous basis, pentose 5 sugar and uh, nucleotides are there. The sequences of bases provide the genetic information. In this, two types of bases are there, purines and pyrimidines. Purines have fused 5 and 6 membrane rings like adenine and guanine, and pyrimidine in this 6 membrane rings like cytosine, thymine, and uracil. What is base pairing? Hydrogen bonds are relatively weak bonds compared to covalent bond. Hydrogen bonds can form between a pyrimidine and a purine. So Watson and Crick base pairing rules is A double bond with T and G triple bond with C. So what is DNA helices? In general, DNA is a double stranded DNA takes the form of a right-handed helix with approximately 10 base pair per turn for the helix. And what is complementary? In the DNA double helix, purines and pyrimidines face each other. The two polynucleotide chains in the double helix are connected by hydrogen bonds between the bases. Watson and Crick base pairing rules are A double bond T and G triple bond with C. GC base pairs have more energy than AT base pairs. Since one strand of DNA is complementary to the other, genetic material can be accurately reproduced. So each strand serves as a template for the synthesis of the other. So what is antiparallel chains? Two strands of DNA double helix are antiparallel and complementary to each other. So what is gene? A gene is a unit of inheritance. It carries information for a polypeptide and a structural RNA molecule. Then what is restriction enzyme? It is a specific endonuclease recognize short specific sequence of DNA and cleave the DNA at or near the recognition sequence. Then what is recognition sequence? Usually 4 or 6 bases, but there are some that are 5, 8 or longer. Recognition sequences are palindromes. Palindromes are the sequences of DNA that is the same when one strand is read from other left to right or other strand is read from right to left, consist of adjacent inverted repeats. So, what is restriction enzyme? Restriction are isolated from bacteria. It derives name from the bacteria. Genus is first letter capsulized and species second letter, third letter is small in case. So hybridization is what? Nucleic acid hybridization is the formation of a duplex between two complementary sequences. Intermolecular hybridization between two polynucleotide chains which have complementary bases DNA DNA, RNA DNA, and RNA RNA. Annealing is another term used to describe the hybridization of two complementary molecules. So in this denaturation to renaturation processes, DNA double helix, double stranded DNA and single stranded DNA form initial base pairing and renatured DNA. After this, what is probe? Probe is a nucleic acid that can be labeled with marker which allows identification and quantification. Will hybridize another nucleic acid on the basis of base complementary. What are the types of labels? Radioactive and fluorescent and biophenylide. Next is solid support hybridization. For solid support hybridization is DNA or RNA is immobilized on an inert support so that self-annealing is prevented. Bound sequences are available for hybridization with an added nucleic acid probe. It is filter hybridization is the most common. Its application is southern blotting, dot and slot blotting, and in another blotting. So, what are the blots? We will discuss later. What is blotting technique? Southern blotting, northern blotting, and western blotting. So, southern blotting is used for the detection of DNA, and northern blotting is used for the detection of RNA, and western blotting is used for the detection of uh, protein. So in this, after this, we will discuss what is PCR. PCR is the in vitro enzymatic synthesis and amplification of a specific DNA sequence. Can amplify one molecule of DNA into billion of copies in a few hours. What are the applications? Application detection in chromosomal translocation and chromosome painting, and in detection of residual disease. In the detection of infectious disease, it is used in forensic HLA typing and detection of loss of suppressor gene. What is Human Genome Project? Is speaking a language of molecular fingerprinting, and gene expression is another language of complexity. Is it in this 40,000 genes are available in this locus? Mapping terms में locus means a position of chromosome and allele means alternate form of DNA at a specific locus on the chromosome. So this is all about the molecular biology techniques. This video is generated by JVW Digital version 2.0, and if you like this video, and if you have any kind of comment, you can ask your query in comment section. Thank you.